Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny in Mama Soul Kitchen. We are together here today to show you my peach cobbler cake. Doesn't that look delicious, everybody? Just look at it. Isn't that just wonderful? Just look at the crust around the cake and the part of that. It's just so buttery. It's so delicious. This is like a number one asked for dessert at our functions. Exactly. And even at the church, they love it at the church and they need it. What did you put in there, girl? I said, none of your business. Grandmother. Anyway, it's a very simple recipe. If you have a nice vanilla cake recipe that you do by scratch, that works even better. But if you don't, that's okay. You can use a box of yellow cake mix and a can of peaches, but I prefer fresh peaches in the summertime, but they're not here all winter long, so fresh peaches is better. But anyway, then you add butter, then you add a little bit of baking powder inside of your cake mix, and you spread it all over the pan with butter, and you lay your peaches on top of it, and you add more cake mix on top of that. Oh my goodness, and melted butter on top of that. It's like layering of goodness. Look at that. Just look at it, everybody. Ladies, I'm going to tell you, this right here is going to keep your man happy, joy, joy. If you guys like my granddaughter's recipes, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button below, because we're going to have some more recipes coming soon. Are we, baby? Yes, we sure are. We're so happy you guys are joining us. We really hope you guys have a nice holiday and enjoy this peach cobbler. Oh, yeah. I'm telling you, it's mouth-watering, ladies. You know what I'm saying?